Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XDC in your Tangem wallet and want to move it over to Gemini for trading or storage, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw XDC from Tangem Wallet to Gemini in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything for security. Crypto can be tricky. First things first, make sure you have the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version for 2025. This ensures compatibility and added security features. Open the app and log in with your secure PIN or biometric authentication. Next, navigate to your XDC wallet within the app. You'll see your balance displayed. Double-check that you have enough XDC to cover the withdrawal amount plus any network fees. Now, head over to your Gemini account on a separate device or browser for safety. Log in, go to the deposit section, and select XDC. Gemini will provide you with a unique wallet address. Copy this carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Back in the Tangem Wallet app, select the Withdraw or Send option for your XDC. Paste the Gemini wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check the network. XDC typically uses the XDC network, so ensure it's selected to avoid any errors. Before you confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Network fees might apply, so look at the estimated costs to make sure it's worth it. Once you're ready, hit confirm, and you'll be prompted to approve the transaction with your wallet's security measures. This could involve a second PIN or a hardware confirmation if you're using a physical Tangem card. After that, sit tight. The transaction should process quickly, but it can take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Gemini account to confirm the XDC has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw XDC from Tangem to Gemini in 2025. A quick tip. Always use a secure internet connection and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support for each service. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.